Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Elaina. Привет! I'm your Russian-American makeup and beauty addict. I usually do reviews and tutorials of affordable and expensive makeup from Walmart to various websites. I'll test it on my face, I'll pass the savings to you guys. So in this video, I'm doing my first review of Walmart subscription service. That's the Walmart Beauty Box. I'm gonna show you what I got and I'll tell you what it is. About $5. Only 5. So if you guys are interested, then keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe and ring notification bell so YouTube notifies you of every new video upload. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays at 9 AM Pacific time, and also go live every Monday or almost every Monday at 11 AM Pacific time. So like, subscribe, comment and follow me on Instagram, Twitter. The links are down in the description box. So let's get right into this. So I've been subscribed to Walmart Beauty Box for a couple of years already, and excuse me, the wig is getting in my mouth. And I like it actually, but I never thought about making a video. But lately the box has actually been better than usual. Before I used to receive a lot of like aluminum deodorant, like antiperspirant for some reason, and toothpaste, which is not that exciting, and I don't use aluminum deodorant. Look it up, it's very bad for you. Alzheimer's waiting to happen, but anyway, it's a whole different story. Anyway, so lately they've been doing more makeup and like lotions and more skincare, so it's almost like the beauty box of like the other beauty boxes. So yeah, so lately I've really been into it, so I decided to do a review of this current box. So you get this box, it looks like this. They were able to shove this in our mailbox. It fit. I was actually shocked. So you're gonna be shocked now if you're in UK. It's only $5 and it says you pay for shipping. So it says that we send you a new box every season, spring, summer, fall and winter. You only ever be charged for shipping plus tax where applicable. So it's pretty much it. You get $5. I remember when I was entering my profile, there was like a profile and you could enter your preferences, because you receive the sample. So like if you get foundation, you get your own skin tone, because I know I received my skin tone. But right now, like I'm on the website, I cannot find it, but I think I'm just having a blown moment because I'm wearing this wig. I'm allowed. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna show you what I got in this $5 box. So you get a little book, and the book tells you what the products are and how much they cost. So I used these samples of this foundation, all of them already, just to see if I can find a better match, and I kind of found that some of them, like a few of them, match me. So this is L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear, which I'm wearing right now, and I love this foundation. Actually, I haven't reached for it because I've had it for a while, and it's still, I would say, one of the best foundations I own. Every time I use it, I'm like, oh, I really should wear it more often. It really makes the skin look flawless. Let me get closer. So you see, it's like, I'm 45 and I have pretty good skin, but really this foundation smoothes the skin. It's not full coverage, but it makes it look so nice. So they sent your skin tone. They sent me like, what is it, 10 of them? So I looked and I think I was right. I have the 455 natural buff, and I think like the couple of the darker ones fit me now a little better because I'm wearing self tanner. So yeah. So you get these. The full-size foundation, they don't really have this for some reason, but you never know. So now we get also NYX Professional Makeup Butter Gloss. I'm not into the lip glosses, but I mean, they sent it to me, I'll use it. It says never sticky and always supple, stays put and won't feather. That the full size is for $97, and I think this is a full size. So this is already covered in the box. It's $4.97 for this. So I'm gonna sample a little bit. I mean, it's almost clear. It has a little color. Not much scent. I mean, it's NYX. NYX is not bad. Some of the stuff from NYX I'm not a fan of, but this one is nice. Then you get a little sample of Lumify. And Lumify is, these are the drops I use all the time actually. They really make your eyes nice and bright. I love to use color contacts. So color contacts can make your eyes look a little tired. So I like to use the drops 10 minutes before the contacts, because you have to wait 10 minutes. You can't put this contacts on top of this. But these do work. If you ever get your hands on this, they don't make your eyes irritated. They don't dry out your eyes. It's like magic. The eyes get real bright. So yeah, I'm actually using them today and get a little sample. So the full size is $11.97, which is not that bad. And also you get lotion, Curel. So this is a dry skin lotion, and I don't have anything about this in this brochure. I think it's like BoxyCharm. It varies, like different boxes vary, and my card does not match what's inside. So they be in BoxyCharm right now, because this happened in BoxyCharm before. I actually got the exact same thing in my previous box, so I think they kind of shoved the leftover in my box. Bad, Walmart, bad. You did this to me, just like BoxyCharm. On the bright side, I'm getting this dry shampoo. Has unicorns in it. So this is Collab brand, a unicorn dry shampoo. Full size is $5.38. Not sure if this is full size. It's probably sample size. Yeah, but still not bad. And I also got this sheet mask that I'm probably gonna use this right after I take this makeup off. So this is Found brand, and this is $1.98. One single-use mask. So I'm very excited about this. So this one brightens skin tone of a healthy look and radiance. Coconut sheet mask, 94% natural. So I got these 5 items, actually 6 items, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So it kind of beat BoxyCharm. Well, this is a sample, but I got 5 full-size items, almost full size, and for only $5. I mean, if you're in US and you want to try another subscription box, it's only $5 every 3 months. I mean, I would go for it. I like Walmart. I shop in it all the time, and I love this box. It's been getting better and better. Like every time I receive one, it gets better. So let me know what you guys think. Leave me a comment below. Do subscribe to Walmart. Have you even heard that Walmart has beauty box? Because they do, and they had it for a while. So let me know in the comments, like this video, it'll help me. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. I upload 3 times a week on Mondays, Wednesdays and Fridays at 9 AM Pacific time, and also go live almost every Monday at 11 AM Pacific time. Thank you, huge thank you for all my patrons that join my Patreon group. You guys are awesome, amazing. Thank you so much. The names of my patrons are gonna be right up here. Huge thank you to you guys. So follow me on Instagram, Twitter, the links are down in the description box. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.